Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine? Good. Last week we completed our English portion. Today we are going to start with English grammar lesson number 8, the sports day. Now whatever lessons we will complete in this week and next week, that all topics will come for our exam. Okay. Now here it is told that the sports day. What is told here? The sports day. It's sports day in Rahul's school. In whose school? In Rahul's school. What do you think happened? Put numbers in brackets beside each sentence to tell the story. Now there is a story, you can see here, picture is there, correct? There is a picture, students are running, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 students, they are running, audience is sitting, there are judges over here, correct? No, teacher is there, ma'am is sitting. So which sentence? Now 10 sentences are given. How many sentences are given? 10 sentences are given, and from 10 sentences, which sentence will be the first, which will be second, which will be third, which will be fourth, that we have to mark sequence wise. Okay. Now your first sentence is Rahul is slow to start. Okay. Second sentence is he is first to finish. Just a minute. I will write down that all sentences. Rahul is slow to start. Okay. This is first sentence. Second sentence is he is first. He is the first to finish. He is the first to finish. Third sentence is it is sports day at school. Okay. Fourth sentence is he is happy. He is happy to win the cup. To win the cup. Fifth sentence is soon he overtakes. Soon he overtakes others. Okay. After that, sixth sentence is the boys are on their mark. Seventh sentence, many parents have come to see their children take part. Eighth sentence, everybody has his or her eyes on the running track. Ninth sentence, the referee blows the whistle. The referee blows the whistle. And last one is, but his parents but his parents and classmates cheer him to speed up. Cheer him to speed up. In this way, I have written all 10 sentences on the board. Are you able to see all 10 sentences? Yes. Now, here are those sentences. Now, here it is told that we have to, all these sentences are in some sequence. Now, they are written randomly, okay, they are not in correct sequence. Now, we have to find out what correct sequence of the sentences. Now, first sentence will be what? It is sports day at school, right? Which will be first sentence? It is sports day at school. So, this is first sentence. There is a bracket, in that bracket you have to write down first, okay. Second sentence, which will be second sentence? Many parents have come. Where is that sentence? Here. Many parents have come to see their children take part. Once the sport day is started in the school, it is sports day at school, many parents have come to see their children take part. This is second sentence, okay. Now, third sentence, which will be third sentence? Which will be third sentence, do you think? Come on, tell fast. The boys are on their mark. The boys are on their mark, okay. Parents have come to see the children, then students are ready for what? Children are ready for the game. So, the boys are on their mark. This is third sentence. Is it clear? Next, after that, now fourth sentence. The boys are on their mark. Then what will come? Everybody has his or this I think so. Everybody has his or her eyes on the running track. That will be fourth sentence. Yes, very good. This will be fourth sentence. Everybody has his or her eyes on the running track. Now, what will be next? The referee blows the whistle. Once they are ready to run on the track, referee has to whistle or not. So, what will be fifth sentence? The referee blows the whistle. Referee blows the whistle, that is fifth sentence. Is it clear? Next, sixth sentence. Now, we have to find out sixth sentence. Referee blows the whistle. Now, we are talking about one child. There is name of one child, Rahul. Then Rahul is slow to start. After the whistle is blown, you have to start running. At that time only, who was slow? Rahul was slow. So, this is sixth sentence. Okay. Then, which will be the next sentence? Which sentence will be seventh sentence? Rahul is slow to start, but his parents and classmates cheer him to speed up. So, this is seventh sentence. His classmates and his parents cheer him to speed up. That is seventh. Next, soon he overtakes other. That is eighth sentence. This is eighth sentence. When they are cheering up Rahul, soon he overtakes others, and then he is first to finish. Who is first? Rahul is first to finish. That is ninth sentence. And last will be, he is happy to win the cup. He is happy to win the cup. In this way, we have arranged all sentences in sequence. Okay. I will read all sentences according to sequence. Now, first, where is first one? First, it is sports day at school. Many parents have come to see their children take part. The boys are on their mark. Everybody has his or her eyes on the running track. The referee blows the whistle. Rahul is slow to start, but his parents and classmates cheer him to speed up. Soon he overtakes Adar. He is first to finish, and last he is happy to win the cup. Understood? In this way there is a sport day in the school, and how Rahul plays his Rahul presents himself in running race, that is shown in the picture. You can see in your book, it is shown in the picture. Understood? And in this way we have completed our lesson number 8, the sports day. Tomorrow we are going to study the article, lesson number 9, the article. Okay, that we will study in tomorrow's period. I think so this much is enough. Please write down all sequence properly and start studying. We are going to have exam, first term exam after 2 weeks we are going to have it. And so what you have to do, you have to complete your work in time. Okay, you have to complete your studies, you have to complete your writing work, you have to complete your homework, send it on WhatsApp group. Okay, this much is enough for today. Thank you.